Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to elevate your home cooking experience to professional levels. We're talking about the Cook Standard 10-piece stainless steel cookware set. Now, is this set the missing piece in your kitchen arsenal, or just another collection of pots and pans? Let's find out. The first thing that strikes you about this set is its comprehensiveness. It's billed as the ultimate 10-piece solution, and upon closer inspection, it really does include a fantastic array of essentials. You get saucepans, frying pans, a stock pot, and even a steamer insert. This means whether you're simmering a delicate sauce, searing a steak, or boiling pasta, you're likely to find the right tool for the job right here. It's designed to cover the spectrum of everyday cooking needs for a home chef. A major selling point for any modern kitchen is stovetop compatibility, and this set excels here. It's induction-ready, meaning if you have an induction cooktop, you're in luck. The magnetic base ensures it works seamlessly with that technology. But it doesn't stop there. This set is also engineered for performance on gas, electric, and glass stoves. This versatility is a huge advantage, especially if you're not sure about your current or future kitchen setup. It truly aims to be a universal solution. Now, let's talk about what's cooking, literally. The Cook Standard set is made from premium stainless steel, and this is where the non-toxic claim comes into play. Unlike some non-stick coatings that can degrade over time and potentially flake into your food, stainless steel offers a safe, chemical-free cooking surface. It's non-reactive, meaning it won't interact with acidic foods like tomatoes or citrus, preserving the pure flavor of your ingredients. For anyone concerned about the health implications of their cookware, this is a significant benefit. Durability is another hallmark of this set. It's described as heavy-duty, and you can feel that when you pick up the pieces. They feature reinforced handles that feel sturdy and secure, and the warp-resistant bases are crucial for even heating and longevity. This is cookware built to withstand the rigors of daily use, including high-heat stovetop cooking and even finishing dishes in the oven. It's a testament to their professional-grade aspirations. The versatility extends beyond just stovetop compatibility. The stainless steel construction, particularly the multi-ply full-clad design, ensures zero hotspot heating. This means your food cooks evenly, preventing those frustrating burnt edges and undercooked centers. From delicate scrambled eggs in the morning to a robust stir-fry in the evening, you can count on consistent results. And for cleanup, the sartens de acero inoxidable, that stainless steel frying pans for our Spanish-speaking viewers, are induction-ready and, importantly, dishwasher-safe. This makes post-cooking cleanup significantly less of a chore. The Spanish feature description, Calidad Profesional en su juego de alas para cocina, emphasizes the professional quality and durability. It highlights that the stainless steel is designed to resist daily use, offering uniform heat distribution and a shine that lasts for years. This speaks to a commitment to longevity and a premium feel that you might expect from higher-end cookware. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are clear. The comprehensive 10-piece set offers excellent value, the induction compatibility is a major plus for modern kitchens, the non-toxic stainless steel is a healthier alternative, the heavy-duty construction promises durability, and the even heating is essential for great cooking. The Stay Cool handles also deserve a mention, adding a layer of safety and comfort during cooking. On the con side, stainless steel does have a learning curve if you're accustomed to non-stick. Food can stick if not used properly, requiring a bit of technique with preheating and oil. Also, while the set is dishwasher safe, handwashing is often recommended for stainless steel to maintain its shine and prevent potential water spots or dulling over time. And of course, while this set is competitively priced for its features, it's still an investment, and might be a step up in price for some home cooks. In conclusion, the Cook Standard 10-piece stainless steel cookware set is a robust and well-rounded option for home cooks looking for a durable, versatile, and healthier alternative to non-stick cookware. It delivers on its promises of professional quality, even heating, and broad stovetop compatibility. If you're ready to invest in a set that will last for years and help you cook with confidence, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.